Hello dear viewers, today we shall be performing regression analysis in Microsoft Excel. So how to do it? I have got one data over here in which I have two variables. One is sales as dependent variable and monthly expenditure on advertising as independent variable. So how we have to do that? We have to go in data, and then in data you have to come to data analysis. In data analysis, you have to select regression and then you have to click OK. Now it is asking for the input range. So in input range, you have to select your dependent variable, and in input text range, you have to select independent variable, and that is your monthly expenditure. Now it is asking for the labels, so you have to click labels and then you have to click confidence level, that is 95%. In the next tab it is asking for the new worksheet. So it is basically asking that where you want your output, whether you want your output on the same sheet or in the next sheet. So I want it in a new worksheet, so I'll be clicking on new worksheet and then I will click OK. So now you see that in the fresh sheet, it has generated some results. As you can see that there is a summary output in which it has the first value, and that is multiple R. So what do you mean by multiple R? Multiple R is basically the coefficient or correlation coefficient. It measures basically the strength of linear relationship between two variables. So here we can see that the value is 0.91. It means that it is near to 1. So both of the variable x and y, they are highly correlated. The next, that is R square. It defines basically the coefficient of determination, that what kind of change is there in dependent variable. It means that in your sales due to change in independent variable. So here the value is 0.84. It means that in your dependent variable 84% change is there due to independent variable, and that is advertising. Then you have adjusted R square and then standard error. Standard error basically defines the that how much error you have. So the lower the value of standard error, the good model fit will be there. And then there are observations. So we have basically 8 observations in our data set: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is basically the observations, and then we come to another table, and that is ANOVA. In ANOVA, you can see that you have to look at the significance F value. So here we have significance F value, and that is less than 0.05. It means that our model is significant. Now we come to next one, and that is the intercept. For intercept, the p value is greater than 0.05, so it is not significant. But for monthly expenditure, as you can see that for monthly expenditure on advertising, the p value is less than 0.05. It means that it is significant. So dear viewers, this way you can analyze your results of regression analysis, and you can perform regression analysis in Excel. It is very beautiful technique for the researchers as well as for the working practitioners in organization. Like, as I have taken this example, that you can find the impact of advertisement on your sales, right? How much impact it is having on your sales, you can easily find out. So this is all about how to find the value of regression using Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope so that you must have understood this particular beautiful statistical technique, how to apply using Microsoft Excel. Thank you.